To resolve an Amazon account on hold, follow these steps. Understand the reason. Contact Amazon seller support or customer service to understand why your account is on hold. Common reasons include policy violations, suspicious activity, or outstanding issues with orders. Provide information. Respond promptly and provide requested information or documents to Amazon. They might ask for invoices, identification, or explanations regarding specific transactions. Rectify issues. Address any outstanding problems related to customer complaints, late shipments, or policy violations. Take corrective actions to resolve these issues. Appeal or request reassessment. If you believe the hold is unjustified or if you rectify the problems, submit an appeal or request for a reassessment through Amazon Seller Central or customer service. Clearly state your case and provide evidence to support your appeal. Follow up. Regularly check your email for updates from Amazon and respond promptly to any requests for additional information. Be patient. Resolving account holds may take time. Amazon's review process might require several days or even weeks. Professional communication. Maintain professional and polite communication with Amazon support teams. Clear and concise explanations can expedite the resolution process.